बड़ी बात से तौबा.
ఏంట్రా ఏం చేస్తున్నావు?
I don't think India has seen something like this.
Bringing that Spain culture to Hyderabad is like really good.
It feels like I have tomato in my hair.
Ask them, they're married.
Love at first sight is real. Real. If it's the special one, you know.
Are nakko mama.
ఏంట్రా ఏం చేస్తున్నావు?
देंगे. Emra lanjod ka, bal देंगे ना lanjod का निकला.
India's always working.
Randy.
Time to get down and dirty.
Is love at first sight real or is it just good lighting?
Handsome men are a myth. It's just good lighting, yeah.
Good lighting.
Yeah.
Just the good lighting.
It is lighting.
I think so too. It's not true.
Love at first sight.
I think it's good lighting.
Yeah, I think it's good lighting. It's good lighting. Definitely. It's not real.
Good lighting.
It's not real. It's good lighting. It's not real. Yeah, I agree with her. It's good lighting. It might be true. You never know.
Ask them, they're married.
It's real, I guess.
Good lighting.
Yeah. No, it's
100%.
real. It's real.
100% real.
Real. I've been in, the second girl I see, I just fell in love with her. So
I think it's real. That happened with me. So yes.
Believe in it or is it good lighting?
Yes. I believe
Love at first sight.
I feel it's real.
good lighting. It's just infatuation. Real.
it is real. I'm suffering. I can't say more.
I think it's real. I think it's real. मतलब मेरे को तो हर दूसरे बंदे को देख के हो जाता है भाई. It's attraction in the first sight, but then love develops.
Love at first sight is real.
Real.
If it's the special one, you know.
It's just good lighting.
Good lighting, yeah.
In today's generation, yes.
It's about lighting.
I don't think it's real.
It's attraction at first sight. It takes at least a day to fall in love. Chuti hai. Good lighting. Good lighting.
Describe your love life using a food item.
Khichdi. Buttermilk.
Cupcake.
Yeah, because it's fluffy, because it's comfortable, and that's it.
Gulab jamun.
Faluda.
Grilled salmon and smashed potatoes.
It's biryani. It's full of spices.
Biryani for sure.
Quite spicy, yeah.
Very spicy. Cigarettes? I'm sorry it's not a food item, but yeah, whatever.
Pizza. I like variety. Tomatoes.
It is like biryani. Very delicious in the beginning. It gets bored later.
Watermelon.
Jalebi. Mango.
Karela.
Vanilla.
Mirchi.
Tasteless Maggi.
I'm fasting.
Give me a Hyderabadi or Telugu slang that you know, which is your favorite.
Kukka.
Bacon.
मेरे को ज्यादा कुछ नहीं आता. काईकू बोल रहे हैं ऐसा?
अरे काइकू भाई.
Kaiku. क्या हुआ मिया?
एमरा लंजोड़ का बाल देंगे ना लंजोड़ का निकला. Mama or something.
अरे नक्को मामा.
हौले.
काईको.
देंगे. बैंगन में मिला दिया.
अरे रारा बाबू.
बड़ी बात से तौबा. देंगे बे देंगे. लंजे कोड का.
बैंगन में मिला दूंगा. Like what is that?
Randy.
ఏంట్రా ఏం చేస్తున్నావు?
What's your favorite go-to spot in Hyderabad?
I think it's gonna be Roastery. I love their cranberry coffee. I like Prism.
Home.
Jubilee Hills. Anywhere in Jubilee Hills. Chaitanya Food Court. Gandipet area. Broadway. Jubilee Hills. Maybe the Pet Cafe in Jubilee Hills and Neopolis. LOTD.
I like tea, so Nilofer is good for me.
Konsu. High Tech City.
I think Sarat City Mall. Cafe Nilofer. Bun Maska and Chai.
Atrium. Prism.
Mindspace Social.
Bachirang.
DLF Food Street. Mayur. The Necklace Road.
Of course, Prism.
It's Broadway.
Today we are at India's first and biggest Tomatino festival. What do you think about the whole vibe that's going down here? What do you have to say?
Fucking amazing.
Bringing that Spain culture to Hyderabad is like really good.
The vibe is great.
Mind blowing. It was exciting.
It's really fun.
It's amazing. I've come all the way from Delhi for this.
It's amazing. We're having fun.
Time to get down and dirty. This should happen every year at a much larger scale.
I wasn't expecting to be this good and crazy. I don't think India has seen something like this.
Very proud actually because this is the first time it's happening in Hyderabad.
They're killing it, man. They're killing it.
It was a great experience.
It's a pretty new experience in India.
Didn't expect it to be this big.
Looking forward for many more years and having this festival again next year in India too.
It doesn't feel like that it's happening for the very first time.
I have become a kid myself here. Thought is actually a good setup. It's a very cool experience. I have just seen this in movies. Pretty exciting and incredible to be a part of this event. Amazing. It was so fun. I'm a mother of a 17-year-old and I'm having great fun. Great event because it's a new experience to a lot of people. We're having a lot of fun.
Just like Spain.
It feels like I have tomato in my hair. Happening for the first time in India.
Setup is great, the efforts that they've put up and the idea behind it is amazing.
We had like tomato spites over there.
We are here for the pre-event as well and it was so good and now we're waiting for the sundowner.
This is something I would definitely recommend everybody to try at least once in your life.
Today we have rocked it.
India's always rocking.
I would like to say something in Spanish. It's like, Hola, ¿cómo estás?